Welcome to the Psoriasis on YouTube channel. We cover all things psoriasis on this channel. Can coconut oil help treat psoriasis? Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can help to relieve dry skin, especially during the winter months. Most health food stores sell the oil in its pure form or as an ingredient in lotions and ointments. The National Psoriasis Foundation recommends massaging the oil into the scalp if a person has psoriatic plaques on their scalp. The National Psoriasis Foundation also recommends adding coconut oil to a warm bath to calm the skin for children with psoriasis as an alternative to regular oatmeal baths. After a wash, pat the skin dry gently rather than rubbing it. The skin softening qualities of coconut oil may be enhanced by combining it with aloe vera. Despite this anecdotal evidence, the Natural Medicines Comprehensive Database warns that there is currently inadequate evidence to recommend coconut oil as a psoriasis treatment. Before utilizing ultraviolet light therapy, researchers researched the treatment's application, but the results were equivocal. Negative effects. Coconut oil is a safe topical therapy option with little, if any, side effects. However, as a standalone treatment for psoriasis, it is rarely helpful. It's usually used in conjunction with other therapies as a moisturizing therapy. If a person is allergic to coconut oil, it may produce an allergic reaction. An allergic reaction on the skin would result in increased redness, itching, and warmth at the place of contact. Because coconut oil isn't always efficient at relieving symptoms, a person may need to try additional topical, moisturizing treatments. What causes psoriasis plaques? Psoriasis affects the immune system, causing the body to produce skin cells far more quickly than normal, in days rather than weeks. These skin cells are not lost in the typical way by the body. Instead, the cells begin to accumulate on the skin, resulting in the formation of psoriasis plaques. Psoriasis is a persistent skin disorder that is usually handed down via the family or by environmental causes, but it is not contagious. However, due to the autoimmune nature of psoriasis, a complete cure is still not achievable. While coconut oil will not be able to stop the overproduction of skin cells, it will provide moisture and temporary comfort. Coconut oil is increasing appeal as a topical therapy and a cooking oil, according to Harvard University. Its flavor makes it a terrific addition to baked goods and other foods. Coconut oil has a substantially higher saturated fat content than butter, lard, or beef fat. Despite contributing to low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, or bad cholesterol, coconut oil helps to boost levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, or good cholesterol, in the diet. Coconut oil applied topically can be utilized as a beauty treatment in a variety of ways. These are some of them. Hydrating the skin. Enhancing the texture of your hair. Stretch marks reduction. Makeup removal. Coconut oil, when applied to the skin, can help to relieve inflammation. It can also aid in the relief of skin dryness by lowering the quantity of water lost through the skin. Fatty acids can also help with psoriasis treatment by calming the skin. Coconut oil contains lauric, capric, and caprylic acids, which are all forms of fatty acids that may aid to soften the skin. Antimicrobial properties of lauric acid aid to lower the incidence of skin infections and irritation. Some people believe that coconut oil can be used as a psoriasis treatment. While there is no scientific evidence to support its efficacy, it may have a calming impact on certain people and is safe to try. Coconut oil, as a natural moisturizer, may help the skin maintain moisture after a bath. It also contains a number of fatty acids that have been related to skin benefits in various studies. Although psoriasis is not yet curable, several natural therapies, such as aloe vera with propolis, sunlight exposure, and fish oil, may help to alleviate symptoms and discomfort. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel for more ways to learn how to treat psoriasis. End.